In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the air box on this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. I'm going to disconnect the connector for the mass airflow sensor. Just push on the tab, slide that off. Just move that to the side. Loosen up this worm clamp right here. I'm going to use an 8mm socket. Loosen that up. You just want to grab this and just slide it out. With that loose, then I'm going to grab the air box right here and gently pull up. Just slide that to the side. And it comes right out. You can see inside the air box there is an air filter. If your air box doesn't come with an air filter, you have to add one. Take the Phillips head screwdriver and take out those 4 screws. You can separate it, put the air filter in, and then close it back up. You can see where there's some pins on the bottom here. Those are going to be pushed into some grommets down below. So line this up. Move the snorkel out of the way. Just line it up with the grommets. And just forcefully push down. And we can line the snorkel up. Tighten up the worm clamp. Just snug that down. Take the connector and lock it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.